Do you want to know how you can log in to your first home mortgage account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your first home mortgage account. Open the Chrome or Edge browser which is on your phone and then go to the Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for First Home Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears, or you can find firsthome.com and click on the link. It will lead you to the official page of First Home Mortgage. You can see on the top right hand corner there is Get Started/Login button. Click on it and click on Access Borrower Portal. If you want to find a loan officer, click on Find Officer. But in our case, we want to log into our portal, so just click on Access Borrower Portal. It will lead you to the login page of First Home, and then you can go ahead and write down your username, write down your password, click on Remember Me if you want your browser to remember you, and then click Login. Now you will be logged in to the official page or the official account of your First Home Mortgage. In case you forgot your password or your username, go through these links and reset your username or password. And if you don't have an account, click on Create Account, by which you can create an account of First Home very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.